Is it really possible to crack one of the toughest exam in India, NEET, without spending lakh of rupees on online coaching? The honest answer is absolutely yes. Believe in the golden age of education where the best teacher in India are teaching for free right here on YouTube. But the problem is not the lack of content. The problem is the confusion. इतना सारा content है, a student get lost deciding who to follow. Today I am going to give you a curated subject-wise roadmap. I will tell you which teacher follow to bio physics to score 650 plus marks in it. No paid batches, no hidden course, just pure quality content. So grab your notebook and pen. क्योंकि आज हम नीट करने का फ्री ब्लूप्रिंट डिस्कस करेंगे. लेट्स डाइव इन. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द बायोलॉजी. यू नो बायोलॉजी कंस्टिट्यूट 50% ऑफ योर पेपर. इफ यू मेस दिस अप योर सिलेक्शन इज इम्पॉसिबल. यू नीड क्लियरिटी, नॉट जस्ट नोट मेमोराइजेशन. फॉर विजुअल लर्नर एंड बेसिक्स, स्टडी फॉर फन. इफ यू are someone who struggle to visualize concept like how DNA replication work or the mechanism of breathing, you must visit the channel Study for Fun. Their animated videos break down complex topics into simple, dissectable visual. It's perfect to clearing your basics खेल में. And numbers 2 for deep conceptual clarity and Unacademy NEET. Now moving to the serious exam oriented prep on the Unacademy NEET prep channel. We have two gems. First, Ritu Raktewal ma'am. Her dedication to NCERT is unmatched. She teaches strictly according to the syllabus. Her one shot are legendary for revision. Then we have Tarun sir. If you have botany difficult, just watch one lecture of Tarun sir. His ability to connect वो कंसेप्ट को रटवाते नहीं समझाते हैं. रिकमेंडेशन, पिक वन टीचर हु वाइब मैच योर एंड स्टिक टू देम till the end. Coming to chemistry, this subject is the rank decider. Most students ignore this, but you won't. I have broken this down into 3 parts because one teacher might not be perfect for everything. First, the all-rounder Pankaj sir. First up, Pankaj sir, whether it is his own channel and his own lecture on various platforms, his energy is infectious. He mesh for chemistry fun. Chemistry बहुत बोरिंग लगती है ना, पंकज सर से पढ़ो, फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा. He is especially great for general organic chemistry and reaction mechanism. In organic chemistry, it's all about expectations and trend. For this, I highly recommend Mohit sir. His trick and mnemonics to remember the periodic table and p block elements are lifesavers. You won't need to mug up everything blindly. You give you the logic behind the facts. And physical chemistry, finally, which is basically physical disguised chemistry. You need a teacher and who you solve numerical with Sudhanshu sir. His approach to thermodynamics and equilibrium is very systematic. He focus on problem solving technique, which is exactly what you need for NEET. And finally, the subjects that give nightmare to medical students. Physics. Many of you leave for the last minute. गलती मत करना. For physics, there is one name that's start a revolution. Alak Pandey sir, physics wala. I am not talking about the new app, batches and courses. I am talking about his on old lecture, those whiteboard videos. They are pure gold. The way Alak sir is explain concept like rotational motion or ray optics, it's connect directly to the heart. He start from zero and take you to the NEET levels. If you are struggling with numericals, go watch his old playlist, pause the video, solve the question along with him. Trust me, physics का डर खत्म हो जाएगा. Now before we break up, a very important warning. YouTube एक double edged तलवार है. It's easy to get distracted. Number 1, don't watch a study. Don't watch lecture like a Netflix series while lying in bed. Sit at a table, keep your NCERT open and make your own notes. And number 2, stick to one. Don't jump for one teacher to another. एक टीचर पकड़ो और उन पे ट्रस्ट करो. Consistency is more important than finding the perfect teacher. And last, practice. YouTube teacher clear you concept. They won't write exam for you. You have practice MCQs offline. So there you have it. You have the biology expert, the chemistry wizards and the physics legend all available for free. You don't need money to crack NEET. You need junoon and discipline. I have linked someone of the best playlist of this teacher are description below, so you don't have to search for them. If you found this roadmap helpful, make sure hit that like button and subscribe button. It help to algorithm reach more aspirant like you, and subscribe to the channel for more honest and no nonsense study strategy. See you in the next video. Keep hustling and let's crack it. जब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड अल्लाह हाफिज.